In the previous video, we have dealt with what is adjective, kinds of adjectives like adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. Today in this video we are going to see the remaining kinds of adjectives. So now let's see the sixth kind of adjective, that is adjectives of number. So what are adjectives of number? Adjectives of number indicate the number of the noun. Adjectives of number answer the question how many. For examples, I have 5 mobiles. In the sentence, the word 5 indicates the number of the noun mobile, that is 5, and therefore it's adjective of number. Let us take one more example. Robin is the first customer to buy the Samsung mobile. Here the word first is adjective of number that indicates the number of customer. Now, adjectives of number are classified into 4. The first, indefinite adjectives. The second, distributive adjectives. The third, cardinal numbers. And the last is ordinal numbers. Now let's talk about the first type of adjective of number, that is indefinite adjectives. So what are indefinite adjectives? Indefinite adjectives are words. They do not specify a particular number. For examples, there are few boys in the class. In the sentence, the word few is indefinite adjective of number because it does not specify exact number of noun, that is boy. Let's take one more example. There are some girls who are very brilliant. In this sentence, the word some is indefinite adjective because it does not indicate exact number of noun, that is girls. Now let us see the second type of adjectives of number, that is distributive adjectives. So what are distributive adjectives? Distributive adjectives are used to refer to a person or thing separately. For examples, each students of 8th standard must get first class. In the sentence, the word each is distributive adjective because it refers to students separately. Let me take one more example. Every boy and girl is intelligent. Here the word every is distributive adjective because it indicates every person's separately, individually. Now let's see the third type of adjectives of number, that is cardinal numbers. So what are cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers mention exact number of noun. For examples, I have 2 pens. Here the word 2 is cardinal number because it mentions the exact number of noun pen. Let us take one more example. I called you 3 times. Here the word 3 is cardinal number because it refers exact number of noun, that is time. Now let us see the last kind of adjectives of number, that is ordinal numbers. So what are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers mention rank, position, or an order of a noun in a series. For example, Rohan got first division in our class. In this sentence, the word first is ordinal number because it mentions first rank in the class. Let us take one more example. John is the second boy to reach the finish line in marathon. Here in this sentence, the word second is an ordinal number because it mentions the position second. Now let us see the 7th kind of adjective, that is proper adjectives. So what are proper adjectives? Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns like places, as countries, continents, regions, cities, and from famous people, mostly historical and some modern. For examples, I love Raipurian team. In this sentence, the word Raipur is proper noun, and from proper noun Raipur, proper adjective Raipurian team is formed. Let me take one more example. John likes Shakespearean drama. In this sentence, the word Shakespeare is proper noun, and from it, proper adjective Shakespearean drama is formed. Children, Remember, we always use a capital letter for a proper adjective. For examples, Indian students, African forests, British merchants, American youth, etc. Now let us see 8 kind of adjectives. That is emphasizing adjectives. So what are emphasizing adjectives? Emphasizing adjectives are used to lay stress on a noun. For examples, you are the very person I am looking for. In this sentence, the word very is emphasizing adjective because it lays stress on noun person. Let us take one more example. Is that your actual name? In this sentence, the word actual is emphasizing adjective because it lays stress on noun name. And finally, let us see the last kind of adjective, that is compound adjectives. So what are compound adjectives? Compound adjectives are formed when two or more words are joined to modify or describe the same noun. The words are usually separated with a hyphen. For example, Mira is good-looking girl. In this sentence, the words good looking are combined together by separating with a hyphen to describe or modify noun girl, and therefore it's compound adjective. Compound adjectives are formed with numbers. For example, I got 3-week holiday. Here in this sentence, the words 3 is number and week is noun and are separated with hyphen, and these words describe or modify noun holiday. Secondly, compound adjectives are formed with adjective or adverb or noun plus present participle. For example, last year we had record-breaking performance. In this sentence, the word noun record and present participle breaking are separated with hyphen and they modify or describe the noun performance, and therefore they are compound adjectives. Thirdly, compound adjectives are formed with adjective or adverb or noun plus past participle. For example, he is well-educated man. In this sentence, the words well is adjective and educated is past participle, which are separated with a hyphen, and they modify or describe noun man.